Hello everyone, I am Supercell EAS, and this is the Midland WR400 Weather Alert Radio. So, we are going to go ahead and take it out of its box. I'm going to move this out. Right, so, in here we have the owner's manual, and a box containing the AC adapter. And here is the weather radio itself. Here it is, dudes, in brand spanking new condition. Alright then, let's go ahead and see how much AA batteries it needs. I'm assuming it needs 4. Yep, it needs 4. Anyway. Alright. Now, as I insert this last battery in, we are going to go ahead and see if the weather radio turns on. It does. Alright, now we're going to do the main setup procedure. English, yes. Set location. Any, yes. Set time. The current time is 2:18 p.m. Alright, now we're going to go through the menu functions. Set time. Setting minute, I forgot to do that. 2:18 p.m. Let's go downward. Alarm 1, alarm 2, nope. Alarm type, no. Set language, we don't need to do that, that's English. Set location, that's any. Alert type, yep, voice. Alert test, let's see how loud this is. That's not loud, that's not that loud. I'd say WR120 is a bit louder. The WR120 is surely louder. Set channel, we already did that. Backlight, button beeps. Set events, we do not need to do the alert siren. And that's all the menu functions that we have. So let's see our weather hazard signal.
Forecast for San Gorgonio Pass near Banning tonight, mostly clear.
Let's check out the AM and FM. I'm sure AM...
Miles an hour.
There. Hold it down to turn it off. You got these preset buttons. Here's your USB charging cable. I am so dumb. I forgot to press all the buttons. Let me push the remaining buttons. I already pushed the menu button. On, off, and volume. Yeah. That, my friends, sorry about the lens flare that's going on. But yeah, that, my friends, is the Midland WR400. I am going to go ahead and plug it in somewhere for the setup. Oh, why am I so stupid not to put the battery cover on? There we go. Battery cover's on. I'll be right back. Oh, before we plug it in, let's go ahead and see if this is a V3 or a V2. V3s have the blue alert event code. No, it does not have the blue alert function. Wow, we got a version 2 then. So, that, my friends, is the version 2 Midland WR400. The version 1 comes with a USB connection, while versions 2 and newer come with this barrel connector. But yeah, now we are going to go ahead and find a place to plug it in. And I believe a good place to plug it in is right over here, right beside my 2 other new leather radios. Here it is. Here is my WR400 next to my WR300 version 8 and also near this Radio Shack 12-262. But yeah, that, my friends, is the unboxing and setup of the version 2 WR400. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more EAS content. Like, comment, and subscribe. That's it.